Okay friends, so in this video I am going to show you how you can automatically copy my trades inside Pocket Option by using this social trading feature of Pocket Option. So to copy my trades, it is simple. When you join my VIP Telegram channel, okay, after making payment, then what happens is you will get my user ID and few instruction with one specific video where I have shown you exactly how you can copy my trades for the exact amount that I am trading at that time. Okay, so for example, I can make trade for $20 per trade continuously, or maybe if I'm making $10 per trade continuously, or if I'm making $100 per trade continuously, I'll make a specific video for that and put in the VIP Telegram channel so that you can watch that video and do all the copy trading settings. But in this video I'm going to show you normally. For example, if I am investing $100 per trade, then how you can copy my trades for either $10, $20, $50 per trade automatically in your account. Okay, that I am going to show you in this video. So watch this video very carefully. So firstly, you need to join my VIP Telegram channel. You can find the link anywhere above or below this video. You can click on that and join my VIP Telegram channel, and there you will find my user ID. Once you get that user ID, then simply log into your Pocket Option account and click on this social trading, and then click on here and click on search. So for example, let's assume that this is my user ID. However, it is not, okay, but for example, when you put my user ID at here, then you will see this kind of name. Okay, then just click on this name and then you can just click on copy. Okay, and let's say I'm investing $100 per trade and you want to copy $100 per trade, then what you need to do is just put 100% at here. Okay, so now it means 100% of my trade amount will be copied in your trade automatically. Now as I have already told you, I always trade with consistent amount. Okay, for example, if I am making $100 per trade, then I'll just keep on making $100 per trade. If I am making $20 per trade, then I'll consistently make $20 per trade. Okay, but if I need to change this amount from $100 to $20 or $10 or $30, then I will announce firstly in my VIP Telegram channel so that you can do the setting accordingly. Now another important thing, let's say you have $1,000 in your account, okay, and you just only want to risk up to $300 with my copy trading, for example. Okay, then what you can do is you have $1,000, then just put $700 at here. Okay, now what happens is copying will stop if the balance will be less than 700. Okay, this is for your safety. However, you don't need to do this because I do good risk management, money management. Okay, so that you don't need to take tension about it. Okay, but you can put the stop balance if you want. Okay, now in minimum copy trade amount you just leave it $1, and in maximum copy trade amount you just keep it unlimited, because I always trade with consistent amount. Okay, I will not be like other traders who trade $1 for one trade and another trade he or she will make $1,000 per trade. That thing I'll not do. I'll make consistent amount of trade regularly. Now let's say I'm making $100 per trade and you just want to copy $10 per trade, then what you can do is just make this 10%. Okay, and then here you can see 10% of the provider's trade will be copied. Okay, so if you want to make $20 per trade, make it 20. If you want to make $50 per trade, make it 50. Okay, if you want to make $70 per trade, make 70. Okay, this is the example for $100 per trade. Okay, similarly I'll give you now another example also. Let's say for example I'm making $10 per trade. Okay, and you just want to copy $10 per trade, then in that case what you can do is simply put 100% at here if you want to make $10 per trade. But if you want to make $5 per trade, then what you can do is just make it 50%. In this way you can do this copy trading setting, and then after everything is finished, then just click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, then your trade will be started to copy. This trade, my trades will be automatically be started to copy in your account without doing anything. Okay, you just need to do this one setting and be active in the VIP Telegram channel. Keep on seeing my announcement that I keep on announcing in my VIP Telegram channel. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was knowledgeable and helpful for you. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.